So back with another Halloween style, this time with eyeballs, of course, why not? So I've just taken a small section of hair, given a little bit of back comb, and we're just going to pop an elastic in here. I'm just teasing this front bit out. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It's a Halloween style. It doesn't have to be absolutely no hair out of place. So we're going to take another slice of hair. Up it goes. Pop an elastic in this one. So you're going to grab hold of this little central bit here. And you're going to just create a little bubble. Then take your little eyeball. They're like a ping pong ball. I got them from Amazon. And you're just going to push that inside. Tighten it up. Another section of hair. I'm not going to bother too much today making it all, just drop my comb, making it all perfect. I'm just getting this hair up. It's just a bit of fun. You could definitely neaten this up if you wanted to, but we're just kind of going to, nice and fast today. Again, you're going to pop in another elastic. You could use like green hair ties here if you wanted to, or red ones. But I want the eyes to kind of stand out. So create a little bit of space for yourself. Grab your eyeball and then I kind of like make a gap, hold it with my fingers on one side and then kind of like force it in. And then turn the eye so that the eyeball bit is right at the front. And it's almost like a closed eye then. So I'm just continuing down the head here. And I am going to continue down the ponytail as well. But you can decide if you just want them to be just on the head, just do like a cute pony. You use a little bit of the Stronghold like glue hairspray to keep these eyes in. So let me just show you what the side profile looks like. So I really like the side profile to this style. And then just a bit of fun at the back, Halloween eyeballs, why not? Let me know in the comments what you guys think.